Hi! So, 26 na today. At Friday and then tomorrow. May walk na tayo. And then si Daddy. Pupunta kami sa hospital dahil ano siya yata, schedule for x-ray ng kanyang kidney. Naku, sabi na naman ako. Pit ko yung car na yon. Kung magka-car ako ganyan. Pero dito, si Kanhan guys, perfect na. Huwag tayong maging arte-arte. Dahil second hand okay na. Practical tayo, di ba? Pero ayoko talaga ng second hand. Gusto ko yung brand new talaga. Pero sa phone naman, gusto ko talaga second hand. Sa car, carry lang. Kasi itong car ni Daddy, second hand to. So, hindi siya flican. Parang same kami. Pero gusto ko lang talaga sa original kasi yung gusto ko yung una kang gagamit, alam mo yung condition. But dahil naging practical tayo sa buhay, o diba, kailangan natin.
Going straight. Park right here. I guess it's a parking spot. Certainly not you.
What is that? What is it?
I don't know. Can we learn by taking you to the hospital?
Okay. So, ayan, dito kami sa hospital. Sorry. Pushes the wind. Ayan, dito ako na-operahan. O, diba? Ayan, so, magpapaano si Daddy. Papacheck up siya ng kanyang kidney. Parang, regular check up. Ako nga din, kinancel ko din yung yung aking, schedule. Ganda ng Christmas tree. Ayan, so tayo na mag-antay kang Daddy. Super bobo pa tayo dito, guys. O, diba? New Year na, wala kaming handa. May pasok ako na 31, may pasok ako na 1. Kakain na lang kami sa labas. O, diba? Tapos, next first week ng January, parang bet namin magpa-Florida. Jollibee, Bucket.
Thank you, Yoker.
Thank you so much. Ayan, tapos na kami. Bilis lang. Tapos uwi na ng bahay. Ang sleepy. Natutulog ako. May mga hugasin pa ako doon. And then, good luck sa akin baka magkarayuma ako sa munggo. Remember here, I hit the curve. Diba? Ang galing ko na, guys. Ang galing ko na. Ayan, so nag-order tayo dito sa Chick-fil-A ng large fries at saka iced tea ni Dad. Let's see, nagugutom na ako. Parang between saltiness I love the saltiness of saltiness. Hi. Yes, I am. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
Same to you. Okay. Get it out. Yan, dito tayo sa drive-thru ng
Oh, there, lunch. Dang.
close. It's close, right?
So 1:45, 2:45. We'll come back when we get gas.
Ayan, magagasolina muna kami. That or side, right? Which
That
one?
one's out of gas, so you can't use that one. It's got the yellow bonnet on it.
Okay.
Let's see. That one will pull straight through. You can get it on this one.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hi. So magagasolina muna kami. Sakit ang anak ko. Parang uulan. Ang pakiramdam ko mainit siya tapos malamig. Nagkaloka yung ano kanina. Order ko lang naman 1 large fries and then she took an order for 2 and then I paid about $8.49 including the iced tea. Ojifa. And then matutulog. Parang gusto ko mag-rest. Sabi ni daddy if I have some errands afternoon. Sabihin ko saan sa kanya, uwi akong Pilipinas, balik ako tomorrow kasi meron akong work. O, diba? Ayan, dito na kami sa aming community. Ayan, welcome. Dito ako dati the drive.
You can play golf with the alligators here.
Yeah. Nagbo-walking. So I'm gonna walk again. I want to have my vacation and sleep. You know,
You don't touch another. You don't
Yeah.
touch another thing. It's American.
I had a lot.
You just eat a lot of Filipino food.
I'm craving about. Oh, we have mocha salad there.
That's a nice car.
What is that?
That's a Ford.
Ford, yeah, I love that one.
Same thing that's in that stuff that Lynn gave you.
Uh-huh.
But the Chinese guy says that it doesn't break up the mucus, it just calms your lungs. And when your lungs are calm and not distressed, they get rid of it themselves.
Okay. Gonna try that.
I just put a teaspoon in a little bit of water,
Uh-huh.
put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, not to get too hot, just warm. And it worked really. I can tell the difference. Thank you, sir, for your driving services. You're my good driver.
You have to pay me $100. Ayan, nakapark na bahay namin si daddy. O, diba? Tsaan niya. Asti. So, ang lamig. Parang bumaba yung temperature. It's changing the weather. So crazy. Nanisin ng kwan, pakakitay-kita yan nabi kasi ni mga Christmas balls. O, diba? O, diba? Ayan, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.